Well, there's only 3 of the transformers left that was in those 2 5-gallon buckets. So I thought I'd go ahead and do the last of them if we can get them off now. Wasn't too bad on that one. Hard to do this holding it one hand. There's the bottom of it. And there's the pile of steel left. Let's open this thing up a bit. Put it in there. Like that. Just smack the center and hope for the best. That works pretty good. It's got one of the claws broke. Get in there and knock them out. But now this has been a pretty good while doing this. And that one's aluminum. And I'll tell you the other one. It'll be too. It's aluminum too. And that's what's left of it. A bunch of E's or M's or W. M, E. Yeah, well, that's about how I do it. Or Scrapman show 69 showed me how to do it that way. It works pretty good. Yeah, but it's the same process. Just put vice, beat the bottom off, and knock them out. Like I said, those 2 buckets transformers made. I get a bucket of aluminum out. There's probably, I'm guessing, 20 pounds. Copper, I'm guessing there's probably 10 pounds. So that's how, like I say, that's how Scrapman 69 told me how to do it. So there you go. See ya.